How's it going, buds and beauties? Welcome to Life of Man. Today I'm gonna be unboxing, reviewing, and giving my honest opinion on the Oppo Enco W51 truly wireless earbuds. And keep in mind that I have reviewed a lot of TWS earbuds in this range, and this is actually more than what I've reviewed. I've reviewed a lot of earbuds under 3,000 rupees, so these come at a price of under 5,000 rupees. This is the box that you get when you order it from Amazon.in. Some quick features that are written on the box. So yeah, it looks promising. Let's see inside if it's promising or not. So very quickly unboxing the package. Right off the bat in the box you get some gibberish, and obviously you don't need this unless you want to see what function are present on the earbuds. So what we're gonna do with this gibberish, we're gonna put that aside and look at our main event for tonight, that is the Oppo Enco W51 earbuds themselves. Okay, so look wise they look pretty sexy, man. Blue color, they have a blue tint color. I mean, if you look them from front they look black. If you just turn them little to an angle they look bluish. So yeah, they look very premium, and also they have amazing feeling, very premium feeling when you are holding them in your hands. Let's see what else is in the box. So this is pretty amazing to look at because other companies also include extra pair of earbuds, but this company included 3 pair of extra earbuds, and they included in a small case, extra small, small and large. Looks really nice. And of course the Enco W51 comes with a USB Type-C cable. So let's just have a deeper look at these earbuds, the 3 types of earbuds, and let's just unbox this box. So again, you don't need to unbox this box, you just can pick these earbuds from outside of the box and you can use any of these earbuds. The color of the buds really matches with the Enco W51, as these buds are blue in color and also have yellow in the inside. So yeah, they really matches with the color of the earbud. One thing I want to address is that the color is actually looks very black when you are using them indoors, but when you go outdoors it reflects and actually puts out a blue tintish color. It is actually a blue color, so it looks really good. The implementation of the color is really good. So let me in detail actually show you the earbud. The earbud actually has the both of the characteristics, just like the OnePlus Bud Z. So it has the earbud structure as well as the stick structure. Again, the earbud also looks very premium, but one thing that I have issue with these kind of looking earbuds is that they don't stick very well in my ears, especially in people who have small ear holes. So that's what happened. I have tried every type of earbud, even the extra small earbud, but they couldn't fit even as much as the OnePlus buds. Their fitting is very pathetic in my ears. Talking about the magneticity of the box, magneticity is very good with the earbuds and with the charging case, so they fit very well even if you drop them from a bit of a distance. If you open the earbuds the first time, they will always be in the pairing mode, and if you can hold this button that you see in the middle to activate the pairing mode. Now I'm gonna pair these buds with my smartphone, and I have a OnePlus 7, so let's see how quickly it pairs with my smartphone. The process was really quick. It just detected the Enco W51 and just in a single click it just connected with my smartphone. And as you can see on the screen, it is showing the left and the right pair one. I think this happens because Oppo and OnePlus are brands within the same parent company, and the OnePlus Buds Z also showed this left and right combo battery percentages, and Oppo is also showing that, and I think that's because they both are from the same parent company. Shake test coming in 3, 2, 1. Did you see that drop? That drop was a baddest. I mean, I haven't seen that drop even in some EDM songs, you know, even some of the baddest EDM songs. I haven't seen that kind of drop, and it wasn't even a beat drop. It was just earbud drop, and it was so bad. I mean, the fit is so bad in my ears. I don't know about other people's ears, but yes, the buds look like this, as you can see, and this weird structure. Actually, it reminds me of some bird. Let me search if I can find that bird. Maybe flamingo or something like that. Yeah, this structure is not good for your ears. I mean, at least for my ears. So fitting wise, they are not nice. They are actually shit. So let me just come to the tap controls now. So these are the tap controls. If you can see right here. Okay, I'll just spell it out. So play the next track. Double tap the right earbud to play the next track. Turn on and off the noise cancellation. So it also has a dedicated tap for turning on or turning off the noise cancellation. So if you double tap this left earbud, noise cancellation will be on or off. Third is that answering calls. So double tap the right earbud, you'll answer the calls. Wake voice assistant, triple tap the left or right ear. So they don't have anything for the single tap area. I don't know if you can tweak this or not, but single tap is very necessary. You don't have to just double tap every time. Single tap is very useful, and I don't know if this can be customized. It's written right here. You can customize tap controls for the left and earbuds on your Oppo phone. Tap control customization may not be supported on same Oppo phone models due to version compatibility issues. So again, I'm not sure if you can customize this or not. There is a third party application. I don't recall the name of it. I'll just put it here. So you can download this application and customize your Oppo Enco W51 earbuds. Before moving on to any of these points, that sound quality, mic quality, I just want to address that even if your earbuds don't fit well in your ears, you just gotta return them, right? So that's the first action point for you if they don't fit in your ears, right? Then coming on to the mic quality is awesome. They have amazing mic quality. I have received and also answered calls from these earbuds. And coming on to the sound quality is also good, but it's not very good. I mean, I won't say that it is way ahead of Bode earbuds or the OnePlus Buds Z. It's not. It's really not. So you are paying nothing actually, investing 2,000 more instead of going for the Bode earbuds and the OnePlus Buds Z. You're not getting a lot paying the extra 2K. The last point is that battery life. I haven't tested the battery life on these earbuds because I can't wear them. How can I test them? So if you can't just wear them, just return them, right? So my first action point is to return them. And I just can say that if you are someone who are good with this kind of but these are like very weird. These are very weird structure, weirder than the OnePlus Buds Z. OnePlus Buds Z actually has a good structure. This structure is not good. This it can't even fit. Like see that. It can't even fit in my ears. It can't even stay in my ears. So I am just returning them. My first impressions are very bad for these earbuds. I don't like them. I don't like the fit. The fit could have been way better. The fit of OnePlus Buds is actually good. I said that, but it's not also for my ears. But yeah, these earbuds are going back to where it came from. So coming on to my verdict, so you have heard what I've said about these earbuds. They are not good for me. Doesn't mean that they are not good for you. You have to try them, and for me the quality is good, but they are not as good as under 5,000 rupees. You can get very comparable quality in both earbuds and OnePlus Buds Z in the sound department, the mic department. You can get a lot of good quality, and also noise cancellation is good in these buds, but you can also find the same noise cancellation in both earbuds and OnePlus Buds Z. I mean, the noise cancellation is really good in those earbuds under 3,000 rupees. So I don't think that there is point in shelling out 2,000 more and getting these, earbuds, I think you should research a lot and then choose your perfect pick. And I think you can save 2000 rupees when you can invest in OnePlus Buds C or Botiodopes. These all companies are together, so I don't think they can compare a lot with the Apple AirPods, but of course they can compare with themselves. And I don't think that shelling out 5000 for TWS earbuds other than the Apple AirPods is a good decision. So that's it for this video. Hope you like this video. If you did, thumbs up the video and subscribe for more and more awesome content that is coming your way. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out, bye bye, and keep washing your hands, bro.